Most people still get price matching wrong at Walmart, and they end up paying more than they should. Here's the truth no one tells you. Walmart does offer ways to match lower prices, but it's not as automatic as people think, and the rules matter a lot more than you expect. In this video, you'll learn exactly how price matching works at Walmart in 2026, when it applies, how to request it, and the mistakes that cause most people to get rejected at checkout. And stick around, because in a minute, I'll show you the one detail most shoppers miss that instantly ruins their price match request. Let's start with the basics. Walmart, the retail giant Walmart, has changed how price adjustments work over the years. Today, Walmart does not do traditional, all-competitor price matching, the way it used to in every case. Instead, most price matching is handled through select policies, online adjustments, and specific eligibility rules. So the first step is knowing where you're shopping. If you are in a physical store, price matching is more limited than many people expect. In many cases, store associates may not match online competitor prices anymore. But here's where it gets interesting. Walmart.com itself often already adjusts prices dynamically, which means you may already be seeing the lowest available price without needing a match. Now, let's talk about how to actually try for a price match. If you are shopping online, log into your Walmart account and go to the product page. If you see the same item cheaper on Walmart.com itself within a short time after purchase, you may be eligible for a price adjustment. Go to your order history, select the item, and check if a price adjustment or refund difference option appears. But here's the problem most people run into. They try to price match before buying, but they don't have proof, or they use the wrong competitor. Walmart is very specific about eligibility. The item must be identical, in stock, and sold by a qualified retailer. If any detail is different like brand, model number, or seller, the request will be denied instantly. Now here's a key tip that can actually save you money. Before you buy anything, compare prices directly on Walmart.com and a few major retailers. If you find a lower price on Walmart itself, buy immediately because prices can change quickly. Waiting even a few hours can reset the deal. If you are trying in store, you can still ask a staff member at checkout, but be ready. You may be asked to show the competitor's price on your phone. The product must be identical, not similar. Even a small difference like size or version can break the match. Another mistake people make is assuming clearance items qualify. In most cases, clearance, limited time deals, or special flash discounts are excluded from price matching rules. So let's break this down simply. Check the price first before buying. Make sure the item is identical. Confirm it's from an eligible retailer or Walmart itself. Then request the adjustment at checkout or through your order history if online. And here's the final insight most people miss. Price matching is not always the best strategy anymore, because Walmart already competes aggressively on pricing in real time. So instead of relying only on matching, the smarter move is to check Walmart's current price trends before you buy. If this helped you avoid overpaying, make sure to like the video, drop a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more clear, simple shopping guides just like this.